Hello friends, in this video we are going to demonstrate our project Energy Efficient AI Powered IoT based Smart Home. We have used GR Litchi to design this project. GR Litchi board is given by Renesas for GR Litchi Design Contest 2018. We have used GR Litchi board as a main processor for our home automation hub. So this module is our home automation hub. This module is having GR Litchi as a main processor. GR Litchi is connected with this camera module, OLED display, and there are two transceiver inside this. One transceiver is used to communicate with NOSUN energy efficient sensors. These are here. And another transceiver NRF24L01 is used to communicate with relay switch and RGB LED. So all the sensors and actuator in the home are wireless. Now this home automation hub is communicating with internet using Wi-Fi module on GR Litchi. This home automation hub is right now connected with my home router. So let's see the different sensor modules one by one. This is STM320 reed switch transmitter module. This is solar power based wireless transceiver. This is STM330 temperature sensor, which is once again solar powered. This is modified STM330 to measure moisture and temperature of the plant. And this is PT210, which is rocker switch. It is once again energy efficient and it harvests the energy from the mechanical energy when you press the button and send the telegram to the hub. Now let's see functionality of GR Smart Home Home Automation Hub. On OLED display, various sensor parameters are continuously monitored. When the module is connected to Wi-Fi network, the red LED will glow. The arm button is going to arm the module to capture the motion and send to the mobile application. If the module is armed, then and then it will capture the motion, click the image and send to the mobile application. Right now the module is not armed. You can arm or disarm the module using mobile application as well as the button provided here. Now the module is armed, so whenever the motion is captured, it will send to the mobile application. So let me disarm the module. Now let's see functionality of the companion mobile application. This mobile application is communicating with the hub using MQTT protocol via internet. Here you can see S1, S2, S3 and S4. This will indicate a condition of 4 relay switch, which is right now off, means green. Now when I touch S1, you can see relay 1 is going to on. When I touch S2, relay 2 is going to on, S4 and S3. To turn off the relay, simply click the switch again. Here there are 3 sliders provided to set the color of the RGB lighting inside the home. By setting the color, you need to press the bulb, so the corresponding color will be displayed. Now let's see a functionality of the click button. Now when user wants the image of the home in real time, it will click the click button. So the image is captured and sent to the mobile application. User can also see the condition of the sensors here. D1, D2, D3 are open, means magnet is not nearby, so it will detect open condition. This is temperature sensor 1, this is temperature sensor 2, but temperature sensor 3 is not present, so the value is 0. This is temperature and humidity moisture sensor for the plant, which you can see on the display. Now to enable the motion detection, you need to press the arm button. So now the module is armed to capture the motion. Let's see. When module is disarmed, it will not capture the motion. User can turn on or off the relay switch using this PTM210 rocker switch module. This module doesn't have any battery. It will send the wireless telegram by harvesting the energy you will use to press the button. So let me press button 1. So as you can see, mobile application is also updated. Relay switch 1 is start, and on the display also you have seen the status of relay switch 1. Let's say 2, 3, 4. A second press of the button will turn off the relay switch. Now let's see the sensors. This is door 3 sensor. When I nearby put the magnet nearby, door 3 condition will become close. When I release the magnet, once again it will show open condition. This is reed switch module 2. The functionality is similar. This is reed switch module 3. Now let's see the functionality of moisture and temperature sensor. Right now the moisture sensing probes are open, so the moisture is only 1%. I am using wet towel to simulate the moisture condition. As you can see, when I put the wet towel, the moisture is 84%. When I remove the wet towel, the moisture will once again become 1%. So let's see what is inside this GR Smart Home Home Automation Hub. As you can see, there is camera module, OLED display, 2 LED, 1 push button. Here is nRF24L01 transceiver module, and this is NOSN transceiver module to communicate with temperature, moisture, reed switch and rocker switch. The heart of the project is GR Litchi board, which is located here. GR Litchi board is using for OpenCV algorithm as well as all the processing used in this project. In relay module we have used nRF24L01 transceiver with MSP430 chip microcontroller. And let's see what is inside this LED control module. Once again, nRF24L01 transceiver with MSP430 microcontroller. We have used a GR IDE to write the program for GR Litchi module, and we have used OpenCV algorithm on GR IDE for GR Litchi to detect the motion. We have used our own MQTT broker to manage images sent by the Home Automation Hub to the mobile application and various sensor data and actuator controls. Now powering. Home Automation Hub is powered using 5 volt 2 ampere USB power supply. Relay module is powered using 5 volt 2 ampere USB power supply. And LED module is powered using 5 volt 3 ampere USB power supply. To power these sensors and this rocker switch, we doesn't require any power supply. All the sensors harvest the energy from the normal room light, and the rocker switch harvests the energy from the press of the button. Thanks for watching.